Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to move Google Authenticator to a new phone safely and without losing access to any of your accounts. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to start by downloading your Google Authenticator on your new phone. For that, you need to simply launch your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, if you search for Authenticator, you will find a bunch of different authenticators like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. So since we are working with Google Authenticator, you need to simply tap on it and install this application in your new phone. So once it is installed successfully, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch it, and then your interface should look something like this. Over here, you need to just simply log in into with that particular email address that you were using previously in your old phone, and after using that particular email address again, you will see all of your codes over here. So in your old phone, you need to open your Google Authenticator, then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen and select the option of transfer your accounts. Over here, if you select the transfer accounts, you will see the export option and the import option. So here, since we want to export our account, you need to select the option of export codes. Then you need to provide your authentication. Over here, you may be asked to verify your identity with the PIN or the fingerprints. So you need to just do that, and you will see a QR code. This contains all of your saved 2FA accounts. So on your new phone, you need to simply tap on this plus icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Select the option of scan a QR code. Then with the help of this QR code option, you need to scan that particular QR code that will be displayed on your old device. Once it is scanned successfully, all of your 2FA codes will appear in a new phone instantly. So you can double check by comparing the codes on both the devices, and they should match, and you can also try refreshing at the same time. After the transfer, you need to test the login into one of the 2FA enabled account using your new phone. Like if you have enabled 2FA on any of your crypto applications like Binance, you just have to try login into your account and then see if it is actually working or not. If everything works fine, you need to go back to your old phone and either delete the codes from the application or uninstall the authenticator completely. In order to uninstall it, you can simply come in your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here, you will see the uninstall option. You need to simply press it and it will be done easily. So this is how you can move your Google Authenticator to a new phone fast, secure, and without losing any access. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you want any backup method. So thanks for watching.